Welcome back. This is mainly for the people that's in UK, but they do market research programs all over, and it's called People for Research, and they are market research for the UK residents. So, but you don't have to reside in UK to get part of their research study programs. Go ahead and get paid. Global opportunities, influence brands, get rewarded, shape the future and all of this good stuff. So go ahead and sign up for this community um, research study platform where you click join it. And they're going to ask you for your first name, last name, email address, date of birth, phone number. Um, they will ask you to confirm a code that was sent to your phone, so you need to use a cell phone. And then the password. And then go ahead and click the I agree. And then they're going to send you a code to your cell phone, your mobile cell phone, and then you put in that code, and then you'll be registered with them. And they might ask you a few other questions as well too, like more information about you. Just because they want to know who you are, so they can match you to the right market research study. And this is no different from any other ones that I told you about. Um, Probably next week, I'm going to show you guys all the money that I made from different market research study programs. I'm debating if I want to do that or not, but I might do it. I might do that. But go ahead and sign up for the People for Research. I bet you never heard of this website. I know it's a chance that no one, I know the internet is big, but I know it's a chance that no one ever heard of this particular market research study. Because I did it until 2 weeks ago until I researched. I dig deep and find all of these market research study programs just for you guys, money makers, because I want you guys to know exactly how to make this money. If other people don't know it, there's a chance that you can be selected into this market research study. If a lot of other people don't know it, that's a good thing because that means there's more money for you on the table. Remember that. If a lot of people don't know about these research studies, that means you're going to most likely be selected because it's less of a chance of other people finding out. But they could find out, but it's less of a chance since I'm giving you. But now that you know, and I'm putting it out on the internet, and a lot of people will see this, now it's going to be really competitive. But it's a chance that they may not be competitive and they'll just go ahead and select you. But like I said, you won't get selected for every market research study. But I do wish you good luck. Keep trying. I know some of you guys make fun of that. Sometimes you make fun of me saying that, but the reality is you're not going to get selected for every research study. And I've said that time and time and time again. So don't come on my channel and saying that I didn't get selected or they didn't, pick me because they don't pick me for a lot of stuff too. It's a lot of, I tell you guys that it's a give and take with these market research studies. They're looking for specific demographics, for specific criteria. And if you don't meet that, then you're not going to get it. It's unfortunate, but that's just the way it goes. Go ahead and sign up for this. Let me know how this goes, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.